Hi, everybody. Here we go with part 6 of our CSS part. And we are going to talk about text align. So again, let me share here so I can show to you where we are in regards to our web page. Okay, so we are very close to what we have here. But as you can see, there are some alignments that needs to be applied to some elements, and that's what we are going to do. Okay, so we have in the heading 2, look at this. This is the heading 2, is being centralized within the width of the browser. And we also have the footer that is very tiny, but it's centralized also within the width of the browser. And we do that with the applying the text align. So that's what we are going to do in the heading 2. I'm going to put a style in the heading 2, style attribute, and then I'm going to use the text align CSS property. And as you can see, I have text align. The most used are right, okay, to align the text to the right border of the browser, or the text align center. If I put text align left, I'm using what is the default because the browser starts in the left, writing everything as you can see. So if I say text align center, that's what I need and what I want. Also in the footer, although I have the font weight bold and font size, I will then add the text align center. Remember that between each pair of CSS property and value, I have a space, okay? So I put the first property, the colon, the value of the property, the semicolon. That's one CSS property and value pair. Then I put a space to start the other pair, okay? And so on and so on, so forth. Okay, so here, if I save this now, I go here to the browser and I refresh, and there you go. I have the heading 2 and I have the footer centralized, both centralized. Now, remember one thing, the heading 2 and the footer tags, they are block tags, which means that they take the full width of the browser, okay? We are going to see later on in the other video when we talk about border, you're going to see what I'm talking about, that they take the full width of the browser. That's why when I put the text align center, it's centralizing the text within the element, okay? In the browser. It's not centralizing the whole element. I'm going to show to you this in the next video when we are going to talk about border, and you're going to see where the element, what the element really takes in the browser, okay? So see you next time. Have a nice day.